In this video, I'll show you what the base font size option does. So if you increase the size of this setting, you see that the text increase in size. So this is the headline element. So just looking at this, this doesn't make sense because the headline element also has a font size setting. So to clearly see what the base font size, what this option does is to enable the headline, sub-headline, and also the graphic icon. So now that you see the graphic and text, let's maybe increase the size of the graphic. So the graphic size is looks like is in proportion with the text. So let's just increase the primary text size here, and let's increase the graphic some more. So this looks like the graphic is in proportion with the primary and the sub-headline text. So what the base font size will do here is simultaneously increase or decrease the size of this parts of the headline element here. So let's increase the size again. So you see that the proportion is kept intact here. So, and that is because they are set in EMs. So the base font size is in EM. This doesn't matter here, and what matters is the font size unit of the primary text. It must not be px because this is not scalable. So 1.2 EMs here is related to the base font size. So if you increase the base font size, it will also increase the size of the elements, provided that they are scalable. And as you can see, the font size of the graphic icon here is also in EMs. So if you set this to pix, it will not respond to the base font size. So let's say if I decrease this to maybe 2, so you see that the graphic icon remained 150 pix in size, because it's pixel based, which is not scalable. So hope that helps.